हेलो एवरीवन। ये है वर्कशीट जीके ओलंपियाड क्लास 1 के लिए। आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे जीके का चैप्टर 1, मी एंड माय सराउंडिंग्स। पहला क्वेश्चन है, डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी हेल्प अस टू डू डिफरेंट थिंग्स। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी हेल्प अस टू स्मेल a flower? Nose. Second है, this organ inside our body looks like a great walnut. It controls all the actions that our body does. Which part of the body is this? Brain. My father has a brother. His name is Saurav. Saurav is my uncle. Jia loves playing with doll. Jia loves playing with dolls. Her mom bought her a doll. Jia is feeling happy. Where do Christians go to offer their prayer? Church. Which part of the body constantly taste buds that help us tell whether the food is salty, sour, bitter or sweet? Tongue. I help doctors to take care of sick people. I care for and comfort patients. Who am I? Nurse. Which of the following food items is rich in vitamins? Answer: fruit and vegetable. The vehicle shown in the picture is used by firefighter. At which of the following places people are treated? Hospital. Which of the following clothes we should not wear in winter? Shorts. Which of the following food items should we not eat often? Burger and fries. The object shown in the picture is used by a doctor. We go to a chemist shop to buy medicine. Identify the festival shown in the given picture. Christmas. Achievers section. Which body part is being referred to in the given rhyme? Stretched smoothly tight round my body day and night. Largest part that I own, bigger than my brain or bone. Skin. Look at the given pictures carefully. Select the option which on unscrambling will give the name of a community helper who uses these tools. Motion. At which of the following places of worship do Sikh people pray? स्वर्ण मंदिर, अमृतसर, गुरुद्वारा, जहाँ पे सिख लोग जाते हैं वर्शिप के लिए। Select the incorrect statement. A cobbler repairs car. ये incorrect है। Match the column and select the correct option. Column 1 or column 2. Our brother or sister, sibling, my uncle's son, cousin, my sister's daughter. Nice. P3, P3, Q2 or R1. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel.